Hello, I'm making this quick little video here to address an issue with handbrake. Now, this isn't going to work with everyone's computer, and I understand that, but this is a quick little fix in case you are trying to open handbrake and it doesn't open the first time or won't even make an effort to launch at all. Now, what I remember happening to me was that I would at one point open handbrake, I see it coming up, and then it just instantly crash. Either that or I double click it, it doesn't even come up at all, but it shows up in the task manager. At this point, when I do this, double click it, I feel something opening, yet I don't see anything. When I go to process and then open handbrake, doesn't even make an effort to open it in the first place. I understand everyone's computer is different, but if it helps, these are my specs. I don't think your specs or your computer hardware has anything to really do with it, except for one main issue. If you have, I'm just going to call it a backup graphics driver, say your main graphics driver, mine is a GTX 1050, say that doesn't work or it's failing for some reason, you have a backup driver that you can connect an HDMI to display port and use that. It'll be slower, but at least you'll be able to see what's going on and try to fix the issue, maybe update your main graphics card and get it back up and working. I have had so many times when I have had to either update, update or completely disable this graphics driver. Now you're probably wondering, how do you do this? This may not be your issue, but for me in this case it is. Go to your control panel, device manager, and your display adapters, and you will see right here, this is your secondary. You will know, if you know what your main graphics drive is, then or if you don't know, you should probably check before you do this, just so you don't accidentally make your whole computer go black. But if you know you're using an NVIDIA or AMD graphics drive, then I say graphics drive, I'm sorry, it's graphics card. I'm so used to saying graphics drive for whatever reason. Yeah, it's graphics card. So if you have an AMD or NVIDIA graphics card, then make sure you check that before. But this Intel R UHD graphics 630 is the issue. Now when I just completely disable this, and okay, so the recording completely cut out there, and that was expected because I was disabling a display adapter. But when you disable that, handbrake should just easily pop up after that. See, handbrake is just fine, it's working just well, no issues. How many times I've had with UHD as well, I had, I can't remember the PS3 emulator, but it was called, I think, RSPCS3, I think. I believe that's what it's called. But when I launched that, it wasn't launching, but when I enabled the UHD graphics 630, it worked, and that launched as well. Premiere has been having some issues, but usually when I disable it, it's all fine after that. So disabling and enabling can kind of cause some issues with this, but just keep in mind that if you are going to ever, disable this graphics card for handbrake, I would recommend to enable it as soon as it's done, because if you ever have an issue with your main graphics card, this is your backup, and if you don't have that backup enabled, well, you're screwed, unless you know what you're doing. So yeah, anyways, this has been a quick little tip. I usually keep it disabled. I don't really have any issues. I never touch my graphics card. I mean, I could be screwed in the future, but in the meanwhile, it's working pretty nicely for me. So yeah, thank you for watching. If this didn't help you, then I'm sorry. I knew it wasn't gonna help everybody. This is mainly just like an issue that I've had. If it does help you, leave a like, and goodbye.